We're also adding increased customization so that you can customize the start screen both on the phone and on the large screen so that you can tailor each one to the way that you like to use the device. And finally, we're adding a whole slew of features in order to make that full screen experience more like using a PC. As Alan said, Continuum is all about universal Windows applications. And those are the applications which run on the device. But in future releases of Continuum, we're going to make that experience much more like a PC. You'll be able to hit the Windows button and type in the command that you want to run. You'll be able to pin apps to the taskbar and system tray. And most importantly, you'll be able to run multiple windows on the screen side by side, just as you would in a PC. Thank you. Appreciate the slow clap. So I have a couple of screens that I want to show you. These are actually mock-ups, but then I'll get to a video which shows you some real working code. What you see on this one are a couple of updates to the way that the system runs in the shell. So you see that Action Center, a PC-like Action Center on the right side of the screen. You also see a system tray in the lower right-hand side, and you see some applications pinned to the taskbar on the bottom. In this next screen, you also see PC-like interactions with the applications. So here we'll be adding the ability to have context menus when you use the mouse, as well as PC-like notifications, which you see in the bottom right-hand corner. Now let me go ahead and start this video. What you're going to see in this video is multiple overlapping windows and some of the new shell interactions that we're just now adding. We'll go ahead and connect the device. It takes a few seconds for it to light up on the large screen. Now here you see he's going to go ahead and start an application from the Start menu. The application starts up in its own window, unlike current Continuum, which you can resize like you would on a PC. You can move the window around, and then you can go ahead and start a second application. As you can see, these windows are independently movable and can be closed just like they can on a PC. And if you drag the window all the way to the left, it'll snap in place, also like a PC. So we're really excited about our Continuum feature. This is something that we think is super important for mobile workers who are using that device in their pocket all day long, but who, when they get to their workstation, want to be able to work productively, use that keyboard, a large screen, and a mouse. And we think this is a great way to help make information workers more productive.